Today, the Coronado Unified School District filing a new lawsuit about the cross-border sewage crisis. Glad you're with us at 11 a.m. I'm Eric Connors.
And I'm Netta Irampour. The district alleges Veolia Water was negligent with the South Bay wastewater treatment plant and claims they have hundreds of violations of the Clean Water Act in the last several decades. CBS 8's Chris Guo joining us live downtown where a press conference is just about to start. Chris.
And that'll get started at 11:30, and we will be sure to make sure that we get you a portion of that at the very least. But you might remember similar lawsuits were filed just last year. In fact, this is the same law firm that is filing a very similar lawsuit against the same target, Veolia Water, but this time with a different plaintiff, that being now Coronado Unified School District. And at the time, we had been told by the France Law Group that they may indeed be trying to get some of these school districts that have been impacted by the pollution and everything that has been going on. So this lawsuit does follow a similar theme to the others. It accuses Veolia, the operators of the South Bay International Water Treatment Plant, of negligence. It claims that the teachers, students, and other stakeholders of the school district have been exposed to raw sewage and dangerous toxins for decades. The lawsuit also accuses Veolia Water and other operators of violating the Clean Water Act, dumping billions of gallons of untreated sewage into the Tijuana estuary and San Diego beaches. Now, in the complaint, it accuses Veolia of causing or failing to prevent more than 500, quote, illegal discharges of sewage since 2018. Coronado Unified says students and teachers have suffered health consequences, including exposure to airborne pathogens and toxic chemicals. Now, I reached out to Veolia Water, who did respond to my request for comment, actually sent us a statement that reads in part, quote, the claims in this lawsuit are misplaced, and Veolia's hardworking local employees do not deserve to be blamed for the Mexican government's failures. And they did add some more, in fact, in an interview, which you will be hearing at noon. Now, this is a mass tort lawsuit, which means that even though this is one large group, Coronado Unified, that those who are involved can file their own individualized lawsuit. This is not the same as a class action lawsuit. So if there are additional ones, they could be even more personalized to some of the effects or maybe some of the damages that those folks believe that they suffered.